Hello friends, welcome to the class. We are finding the HCF of some more important questions for SC. We have another question here, question number 9. Find the HCF of x power 4 plus 2b square minus a square times x square plus b power 4. Another expression x power 4 plus 2ax cube plus a square x square minus b power 4. We have two expressions only in the question. First we factorize the given expressions. So our first expression is x power 4 plus 2b square minus a square times x square plus b power 4. How we can factorize this expression? For this we open this bracket first. X power 4 plus 2b square x square minus a square x square plus b power 4. We have opened this bracket with this x square. 2b square into x square, 2b square x square minus a square into x square, a square x square, first term x power 4, last term b power 4 as it is. Now here x power 4 plus 2b square x square plus b power 4 we write together, and a square x square we write at the last, because if you study these terms here, x power 4 plus 2b square x square plus b power 4, they are completing the square, a plus b whole square. To understand it, look here, x power 4, it is the square of x square, and this b power 4, it is square of b square. Now in the middle we have 2, a is x square, b is b square. So x power 4 plus 2 x square b square plus b power 4, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a square is square of x square and b square is square of b square, and last a square x square as it is. Now we do that a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is the square of a plus b whole square. So up to here it can be written as x square plus b square whole square, and last this a square x square we can write square of ax. Now we have this in the form of a square minus b square again, which is a plus b times a minus b. So a is x square plus b square plus b is ax, a plus b, a square, a minus b, x square plus b square minus ax. So these are the factors of this first expression. Similar we have second expression. X power 4 plus 2ax cube plus a square x square minus b power 4. There also the first three terms are completing the square. These three terms are completing the square. They are in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. How? X power 4 is square of x square, and plus last this x is a square x square, we can write the square of ax. The middle term we need now 2, a is x square, b is ax. So what is the product here? 2x square ax, it is 2ax cube. So x power 4 x square whole square, a square x square is square of ax, and middle 2ax cube, it is in the form of 2ab. So that all together it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. The middle term is 2ax cube, it is balancing there. And last term as it is there, b power minus b power 4. Now up to here, x square plus ax whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square, and last b power 4, it is square of b square. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square. So expanding by the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b a minus b. These are the factors of the second expression. So what are the common factors here? How many factors are common? We can see only one factor is common. X square plus ax plus b square, x square plus ax plus b square. Therefore, HCF is equal to x square plus ax plus b square. So in this way, the expressions looks slightly different, but when we start factorization, it is very easy to factorize these expressions, and this question was asked many times in SE also. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye. Okay guys, like, subscribe and share my channel so that I can provide you better videos in the coming classes. Hello friends, welcome to the class. We are solving another question on HCF, question number 10. There are three expressions. First expression, m to the power 6 minus 1. Second expression, m to the power 5 plus m cube plus m. And third expression, we have m cube plus 2m square plus 2m plus 1. So first we are factorizing these all three expressions one by one. Look here now. So our first expression is m to the power 6 minus 1. How this expression can be factorized? M to the power 6 minus 1. There are two techniques. One is for this m power 6 is equal to, we can write m square whole cube, or we can write m to the power 6 is equal to m cube whole square as well. We can use both power here. Either we can make it a square minus b square, or we can make it a cube minus b cube. I am making it a square minus b square. So m cube whole square minus 1 square. Because power multiplied together, m cube to the power 2, that means m to the power 2 into 3, this is m to the power 6. Now using the formula a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. So it is m cube plus 1 and m cube minus 1. A plus b times a minus b. Now in both factors, m cube plus 1 and m cube minus 1, we can use the formula of a cube plus b cube in m cube plus 1, which is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. The second one, we can use the formula of a cube minus b cube, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So by using this formula, we can factorize the first factor as well as second factor further. So it is m cube plus, for this one we can write 1 cube, m cube minus 1 cube at a time. Now first one, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now the second, m cube minus 1 cube, a cube minus b cube, a minus b, m minus 1, a square, m square plus ab, m into 1 plus b square is 1 square. So it is m plus 1 times m square minus m plus 1, m into 1 m, 1 square it is 1, and this side also m minus 1 times it is m square plus m plus 1. Now these factors are in their simplest form, we cannot factorize them further. So this is the factorization of the first expression, m to the power 6 minus 1. Now we have second expression. m to the power 5 plus m cube plus m. So we can see here is m common. So first we take m as common, then what will be remaining? M power 4 plus m square plus 1. Now how do we factorize this expression? It is in the form of a power 4 plus a square plus 1. We know the technique for factorizing this type of expression, keeping this a power 4 and 1 together, the highest power of the variable and least power of the variable. Two terms are kept together, and this term containing square of the variable, we keep this at last and making a square plus b square in the first two terms, and using the formula we factorize this expression. So I am doing the same here. So first m power 4 plus 1 together and m square at last. This is second expression. So I am continuing this here, second expression. So this m power 4 can be written as m square, and this one is 1 square, and this m square as it is. Now using the formula of a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. In the first two terms here, a plus b whole square minus 2, a is m square and b is 1. And this plus m square as it is, we have used the formula of a square plus b square in the first two terms only, and this m square is as it is there. So m times it is m square plus 1 whole square, and my 2 into m square into 1. This is minus 2m square plus m square. It gives minus m square. So we have a square minus b square form inside the bracket. Supposing this m square plus 1 is a and this m is b, we use the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. It is m square plus 1 plus m, a plus b, m square plus 1 minus m, a minus b. If you write these in order, m square plus m plus 1, m square minus m plus 1. So in this way, we have factorized this second expression as well. Now we have the third expression. So our third expression is here. M cube plus 2m square plus 2m plus 1. This is the third expression of the equation. Now how can we factorize this third expression? Here we can see m cube and 1. If we write these two together, then a cube plus b cube formula can be used, and in 2m square plus 2m. By taking 2m common, there also we get m plus 1. So for this m cube plus 1, I have kept together, and 2m square plus 2m. So it is m cube plus 1 cube plus 2m square plus 2m. In the first two terms, I am using the formula of a cube plus b cube. Again, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. In the last two terms, 2m common. After taking 2m, we will get m plus 1 there also. So up to here, this is one term, this is another term. In these two terms, we can see there is m plus 1 common. M plus 1, after taking m plus 1, what will be remaining in the first part? M square minus m square minus m plus 1. In the second part, there is 2m remaining after taking m plus 1 common. Here we have m plus 1, here also we have m plus 1. If you take this m plus 1 common, after taking this m plus 1 common, what will be remaining here? M square minus m plus 1, and in the second part there will be 2m only remaining. So it is now m plus 1 m square plus 2m minus m plus m plus 1. So what is the common factor in all the three expressions? We can see it is m square plus m plus 1. It was in the first expression, it is in the second expression here also, and in the third expression. Therefore, HCF is equal to m square plus m plus 1. So this is our required answer, and it is possible after factorizing all the expressions one by one. So main thing here, we should be perfect in factorizations. All type of factorization, use of formula which are useful for factorization. I gave all these in the previous class. So in the next class we will solve some more problems on factorization. Okay, thank you, bye bye.